So here they are, I got them out of the box. This is the power cord. Try to get a decent shot of this. So it's probably upside down. It's purple. Silver clad OFC copper flux shield design. Not really sure what that means, but it's 2 meters, so that should be more than enough on the power cord. And this cord. These are the connectors. These look pretty good, actually. You see the connectors there. I'll have to take those off. They did protect them. They've got little things over them there to protect the. This here, that's the other end. That looks pretty good. These are the interconnects. I think they're RCA. RCA. These are the connectors here. It's 1.5 meters, and I don't know if these are directional or not. They almost look like they are. Yeah, so they are directional. They've got little arrows here. So I'll have to make sure I get the amp end and the source end correct. And that's about it. So I'm going to plug these in and see how they sound. Unfortunately, I have to wait for my speaker cables, as I said before, but that should be maybe another week or 2 weeks at the most, and that'll be it. Okay, that's it for now.